In this video, we will study that how is the supply of drinking water takes place in our city. So we know that the source of water supply in a city is either a nearby river or a lake, which is known as the reservoir. So this is the reservoir in which the water is collected. Now from this reservoir, this water moves to a tank. That tank is the sedimentation tank. Now the water is allowed to stand in the sedimentation tank for some time. During this time, many insoluble substances which are present in this water, they settle down at the bottom of the tank. Now from this sedimentation tank, this water moves into the another tank, that is the loading tank. Now in the loading tank, some amount of alum is added. These heavy particles of the alum, they deposit on the suspended clay particles which are present in the water, and these suspended clay particles in the water, they get loaded with the alum and they become very heavy and they settle down at the bottom of this tank. Now by this process, what we can do, we can remove the suspended clay particles from the water. Now this water moves into the another tank. That tank is the filtration tank. This filtration tank, it have the three different layers. First layer is of fine sand. This is the fine sand layer which is present at the top. Then the second layer is the coarse sand which is present at the middle, and the third layer is the gravel which is present at the bottom. So these three layers, they act as a filter. So when water passes through these different layers, then even very small suspended particles, they get removed from the water. Now this water, it moves to the another tank. That tank is the chlorinated tank. In this tank, chlorine is added to water to kill the germs which are present in the water. This is called disinfecting the water. Now this water becomes fit for drinking. It becomes potable water. Now this clean drinking water, it is pumped by a pumping station into the higher storage tanks, and from these higher storage tanks, the water is supplied to home and the factories in the entire city through a network of big and small pipes. So that is how the water is supplied at our home and how this water purified. These are the different steps how the water is purified.